Two ahadith are presented in front of you. Sayyiduna Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu has reported, when the reciter of Labbaik recites it, he is given a piece of good news. It was asked if he is given the good news of being blessed with paradise. He replied, yes. Sayyiduna Sahal bin Sa'ad radiyallahu ta'ala anhu has reported that the Prophet of Rahmah, the intercessor of Ummah, the owner of Jannah, sallallahu ta'ala wasallam, has said, when a Muslim recites Labbaik, each and every stone, tree and cloud up to the edge of the earth towards his right and left, all recite Labbaik. Subhanallah. Now the 8 Madani pearls of Labbaik. Number 1, memorize Labbaik and recite it innumerable times. Recite it while going upstairs or downstairs, when your caravan meets the other one, at dawn, dusk, and at night, and after Salah of 5 times. Number 2, whenever you recite Labbaik, recite it at least thrice. Number 3, as soon as a Mu'tamir as well as Mutamatte perform first Istilam of Hajrul Aswad for commencing Tawaf of Umrah, they should give up reciting Labbaik. Number 4, unlike a Mu'tamir and a Mutamatte, a Mufrid and a Qarin should stay in Makkah and keep reciting Labbaik. Their recitation of Labbaik will end on 10th of Dhul Hijjah, when they hurl the first stone at Jamratul Aqaba, big shaitan, then their Labbaik will end. Number 5, Islamic brothers should recite Labbaik loudly, but it should not be so loud as to cause difficulty to themselves or others. Number 6, Islamic sisters should recite Labbaik in low voice. Both Islamic brothers and sisters should not down the following rulings. Besides Hajj, whenever you recite anything, it is essential to recite it loud enough for you to hear, but not so loud as to disturb others. However, there is no harm if one cannot listen to his recitation due to impaired hearing or due to noise around him, but he should recite at least in such a voice that he can hear himself when there is no such problem. Number 7, intention is a condition for ihram. If Labbaik is uttered without intention, ihram will not be valid. Similarly, a mere intention is not sufficient unless Labbaik or its alternative is recited. Number 8, for ihram, it is essential to recite Labbaik at least once. If in lieu of Labbaik someone uttered La ilaha illallah, Alhamdulillah, Subhanallah, or some other invocation regarding glorification of Allah Azza wa Jal, making intention of ihram, his ihram will be valid. But sunnah is to recite Labbaik.